Written on these walls are the stories that I can't explain. I leave my heart open, but it stays right here empty for days. You told me in the morning you don't feel the same about us in your bones. Oh, it seems to me that when I die, these words will be written on my stone. And I'll be gone, gone tonight. The ground beneath my feet is open wide. The way that I've been holding on too tight, with nothing in between. The story of my life, I'll take you home. I'll drive all night to keep you warm in time. It's frozen. The story of my life.